What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here, and if you're a returning supporter, subscriber, viewer, or observer of my content, I just want to say thank you for the support, the love, and everything. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the popular enhancements that we have been crushing it with at our events at SCE for years, and I'm talking about CO2. Now, if you are newer to the business or you're looking to up your game in terms of production elements or things that you're offering to the people that are hiring you for events, CO2 is one of those things that you can absolutely take your event to another level. It's a high impact, high energy service enhancement that can complement different milestone moments in different ways. Now, the most popular way to offer CO2 at events is with a handheld gun or by using jets. Jets can be floor mounted, they can be mounted on truss, or they can even be put up top and shot towards the dance floor. Now, CO2 is something that is an easy add-on for so many because it doesn't take a lot of equipment to manage or to kind of incorporate into an event. The thing that I would say to anyone that is thinking about getting involved in CO2 is this. Number one, you have to find a reputable equipment provider for the hardware used for this service. Now, my favorite, Club Cannon and Hanston, they have really done their part in elevating that whole kind of effect game. I think they are super solid, and they are both located in the United States. I'm going to put information in the description field below about these equipment manufacturers. The second thing I would say to anyone thinking about incorporating this technology or service into their overall portfolio is to make sure that you have the proper insurance coverage, because this is something that could wreak havoc on an event should something go wrong. I've heard stories and heard about events where a CO2 tank fell over and shot out into a room that had a packed dance floor and just created chaos at someone's event. The last thing is make sure that you have all the elements you need to really secure the equipment as well as to operate the equipment. Make sure you have backup washers and wrenches and even hoses if you are bringing this to market, because should something go wrong or should there be an issue, you need to have a plan B and C. Now, we found these really cool floor mount kind of bases that we use for our tanks, and they can operate a 7 to 9 inch tank, which is really good for a 20-pound tank, a 35-pound tank, or even a 50-pound tank. I'm going to include a link to this super dope, super affordable security kind of base to keep your tanks safe in the description field below. And if you want some information on it, just click that link, which is an affiliate link, by the way, and you can actually get one to help keep your tanks safe when operating at an event. This is how we are offering CO2, and here's some things to think about if you are thinking about incorporating this service into your overall portfolio in the future. My name is Jason Jani. I appreciate you watching this video. Be on the lookout for more video dripping right here on the channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And thanks for the support and love. Have any questions in the comments down below. Thanks.